Welcome student. Today this is the new video mutually exclusive and non-exclusive. Event A and B are mutually exclusive when A and B intersections phi. That is probability of them is 0. Phi is an impossible event. That means they are disjoint. See the Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram it is clear that A and B cannot happen simultaneously. They are disjoint. They cannot take place simultaneously, and hence A and B are disjoint. Okay, you have understood this. So they are disjoint events. So they cannot occur simultaneously. You just keep it very clearly in your mind, and very important this is. And now this point, just keep in your mind. A intersection B is always phi. They cannot take place simultaneously. And mutually non-exclusive means what? That events A and B are what? Events A and B. Let us adjust the camera. Okay. Events A and B are not non-exclusive or not exclusive when A intersection B not equal to that opposite of exclusive. That means the intersection, the probability A and this is not equal to 0. Not disjoint event, overlapping. Okay, that is overlapping. Keep your mind, it is overlapping. Okay. And by Venn diagram, that you must keep in your mind. Let us take examples to understand this. That is very easy to understand. That suppose is a sample space taking B0, B, I, B, G, Y, O, R, and let us take another two subsets, suppose P, and suppose we have selected the color out of this violet, indigo, blue, green in set P, and violet and blue and yellow is and orange also, orange, red. These 5 colors suppose have been taken or taken or selected or chosen, so whatever you say, and set another subset. Okay, take another examples. Not much big. Let us take small. Violet, green, and red. Suppose only 3. And Q, set Q contains the color, say yellow, orange, and yellow and orange only. Okay. Now see in the Venn diagram what is going on. Violet and green and yellow and orange, so they are, so nothing is common into them, so yellow and orange, so you can easily say this is disjoint set, and hence a disjoint set, of course, is a disjoint set, so the probability of P and Q is void. that means 0, or it is equal to 0. Probability is 0. Okay, here probability is 0. Now let us take another thing. So probability is equal to, so intersection is 5, so nothing is common disjoint, so they cannot take place simultaneously. Very easy. This is the basic. So always take the union. The law of addition is applied here. Okay, and multiplication law is applied for independent. I shall discuss later. So nothing is common. So just add 3 out of 7 out of 3 and 2 out of 7. So 5 by 7 is the answer. Got it. Now for non-exclusive, let us take the another examples. Okay. Law of addition. Now for examples of mutually not exclusive, let's take the same sample space as this is the same sample space, and let us take two subsets A, B 0, same B 0. Okay, 7 colors, and let's take A. Suppose in A the colors are violet, blue, red, these 3 colors, and in set B green as well as yellow, another color orange and red. So there is a common red, so it is overlapping. Overlapping means there is common, so red is. So who understood? Now therefore by Venn diagram, what do you see? That is common. Let us take the common. This is the common. Okay. Let us draw this. So what is the common rate? So let's A and B, set A and B, and R is common. Let's draw R, and then B and blue, and so it is only in A. Only in A means this only in A, not excluding the common, and G, Y, O only in B, excluding R. So we have to subtract it because R is common to both, so we have to subtract it. So how to do? Let's see. So again union. So this, okay, and also as well as B union B, and common is to be subtracted. It is because already when you take A, it is already considered, so double accounting will be. So probability of A is 3 upon 7, B plus 4 upon 3 upon 7 plus 4 upon 7, 4 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 1 by 7. Okay, so it means 6 by 7 is the answer. Now one most important thing is that is not overlapping, that is disjoint, and this is disjoint, not disjoint, second one. So keep it when their intersection is 0. And important part, always remember when to use the law of additions. When to use the law of addition, keep it in your mind very carefully. Keep it in your mind very carefully. Keep it in mind just very carefully. That it is applied in the following cases. How will you understand? It will be very helpful for mutually and non-mutually exclusive events. What is the questions? You use this. If there is mutually, if they are mutually or non-mutually, then apply this. Okay. Mutually or non-mutually, and non-mutually you can apply this. Exclusive number 2, much exclusive event number 2 you can use one more important, this P A union B when it is asked. You can use also when A union B, you can also use this. And one more is there, we can use when there is a question A or B. Or B is not, do not take intersections, always plus, or it will be asked A plus B. And when there is a question that A plus B or so this symbol help you to whether to use addition, law of additions, and either A or B. When the question contains any of these, you can guess that this is under law of additions. It is highly connected with the mutually and non-mutually exclusive event, and hence it is introduced here. And either at least one. Okay, so I think see it will be very helpful to all of you. So this is all about this. So okay, so I think it's still helpful. Little correction, sorry. For non-exclusive it will not equal to 0. Just okay. Have a nice day.